Well, hi, this is Ken with Village Green, and today I wanted to talk with you about some dwarf plants that we use in our landscapes. The first set that I'll talk with you about are evergreen plants. One of the ones that we like to use is called a Flirt Nandina. It has a very pretty reddish color that it turns in the wintertime. It's good in sun or shade. It gets somewhere around a foot, maybe 2 feet tall, somewhere in that range. Another plant that we like to use is a plant called Carex grass. It's a cream-colored grassy looking plant, and again gets somewhere around a foot, maybe 1.5 feet tall, sun or shade. Another one we like to use a lot of is called giant liriope. Most people are very familiar with liriope. There's a ground cover version that people have in their landscapes that spreads. This gets taller than that. It gets about 2 feet tall. I call it liriope on steroids. And it's more of a clump form, so it's not going to spread out and take over the landscape like the big blue variety does. That's evergreen, and again, sun or shade. And the last one of the evergreen plants I've got for you is something called holly fern. This one is for the shade only. It stays evergreen most years. Once in a blue moon, we'll have a real cold winter and it'll burn it back, but then it will usually just come right back. And again, somewhere around 2 feet tall once it's mature. So that's our list of evergreen dwarf plants that we like to use. If you like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and also send these on to your friends. This is Ken with Village Green, your neighborhood landscape company.